Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix vertical lines on your TCL TV screen.
Fix 1. Check the HDMI and other cables. Step 1. Turn off your TCL TV and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Disconnect all HDMI, VGA, or AV cables connected to the TV. Step 3. Inspect the cables for damage or bent pins. Replace any damaged cables. Step 4. Reconnect the cables securely and turn the TV back on. Step 5. Check if the vertical lines are gone. Fix 2. Power cycle the TV. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall. Step 2. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes to let residual power drain. Step 3. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Step 4. Check if the vertical lines disappear. Fix 3. Check TV picture settings. Step 1. Press the menu or settings button on your remote. Step 2. Go to picture settings. Step 3. Reset picture settings to default. Step 4. Check if the lines are still visible. Fix 4. Perform a TV factory reset. Step 1. Press the menu button on your remote. Step 2. Go to Settings, System Reset, and Admin Factory Reset. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Default is usually 0000. Step 4. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart. Step 5. Check if the vertical lines are gone.